Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and today I'm going to be unboxing the HyperX Cloud 2 gaming headset. As you can see, this is the box that it comes in, and what do we have here? So it says HyperX is the official sponsor of Cloud9, NBA 2K League and Team Complexity. So pretty cool. This gaming headset is compatible with PC, a PS4, an Xbox One and your mobile phone, and it contains a gaming headset, detachable microphone, audio control box, additional ear cushions, a travel bag. Okay, pretty cool. Now these are one of the most popular gaming headsets. A lot of pro sort of players out there, streamers and Fortnite players for example, do use these headsets. They're great value for money. So let's just go ahead and unbox them and see exactly what comes in the box when you buy them. So there's a tab up here which you have to use to pull them out like that. There you go. And it opens up very nicely. As you can see, HyperX has you covered. Okay, so there's a little something for their customer care over here. You get a quick start guide, which is basically instructions as to how to use that. And here are the HyperX Cloud 2 gaming headset. So here are the extra ear muffs that they say to come. That's pretty neat. Keep them to the side. These are the headphones themselves. They do have substantial weight to them, very flexible. As you can see, I'm bending them. A nice leather cushioning over here, premium metal quality build, and these have some good sound. So let's put that to the side. Let's see what else you get. This is the microphone attachment that comes, pretty cool, and that just sort of hooks onto that. The cable itself also, by the way, I have to tell you, the cable is braided, so it's good quality cable, should not break easily. And here's the carrying case, and with the carrying case you also get this USB. Here's the other part of the cable. Here's the extension cable. So this obviously attaches right in here like that, and you've got your controls over here. It says 7.1 surround sound, so this is the 7.1 surround sound. That's your headphones volume. This is your mic volume over here, plus and minus. This is the headphone plus and minus volume control. But there's a little clip over here, so you can clip this onto the back. And now regarding this microphone attachment, this clips on over here at the bottom like that, and you're good to go. Alright folks, so there you have it. That's what you get in the box when you buy the HyperX Cloud 2 Pro gaming headset. I'm doing this unboxing from my home, so excuse the quality, and I hope this, again, I cannot stress, these are great gaming headsets, really good audio quality, great value for money. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.